No long more one of this. I'm finally getting courtesy of my mother-in-law. The best cherry ever.
You got a lot, half of that for me.
I wanna look like it overripe, but when I wash them, we see.
This tree is loaded.
Go wash them, my pipe. Turn off the pipe.
Yum. Is it red as one? Really? Thank you.
Best cherry ever.
Mango Pond County, real country style, St. Elizabeth, Lagwood,
Curry beef, yeah.
Backwood kitchen, curry beef, yeah, long side, bigger pot, stew beef, long time. Trenton over there, so you know.
Yeah, man, this is the old pork.
Yeah. See there? Official thing. Finger licking thing. Another part, this is what? Soup. This is the soup. Well clean and dandy. Woo! Rich. All the pumpkin attack already. Cheese and fish. Alongside the chicken pot we are fry. There's a jack I mean. Cocker crow while cocker fry. These are the igloo we're going to be in some of the things them the man them are endorse later. Yeah. See it here? With the young man them will say, yo, big it up, love it up, life will say over matter. With the banana and the tree same way, ready to prepare. Oh my word. There's a Lord.
Cookie ready.
Yeah man. Look at that. The cash bunny pepper, breadfruit, sweet sap tree. Real country style as I say. Life. Look up into the blue sky. Give God that thanks. Mercy. Alright. More love and to be continued.
Alright, big up yourself, Briscoe.
Yeah, man. Nice.
3 bills for one, right?
Yeah.
And they're handmade.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. Keep the change, alright?
Okay.
Alright. Bye. You got your jerk chicken? Thank you. Jerk fish with okra and crackers. Wait, let the fly come out right here. Smells good. Tasty, I see. Fried fish. Nice jerk chicken and roasted fruit.
Yeah, darling.
Everybody say Jamaica! Oh my God! So pick, make sure you don't come down without no mango, you know?
Make sure you get a mango.
Yeah. Samantha, go get your husband.
Carrie. All right, Carrie, yeah. Wow, look.
This is our mango holder. Right, Belle? Take care of those mangoes.
Man, we wet mango bowl.
Welcome.
What myself? Welcome to Jamaica.
So me with my enough self went into a supermarket with $500. I pick up one small Listerine, 2 double mint, and a small baby wipes. And that came up to over $1,000. I had to went back in the vehicle for more money and I felt so ashamed. So come shop with me with 30,000 and see what we can get. Also at the end of this video you will see a receipt for 2,600, and that was for 13 cocoa bread and 1 peg bread and a little piece of cheese. So everything in the cart came up to over 19,000, and I spent 3,500 for 12 patties, and that is 12 tasty chicken patty in Hammond's pastry. Next I went to Juicy and I got 6 shrimp patty and 6 cheese, and that came up to 4,000. Nah lie, 460 for a TikTok really shocked me.